Okay, so how's it going? Welcome to the Crypto Angel channel. If you guys are new, make sure you hit the likes. It's the least you guys can do. I do appreciate it. I will be live 11 p.m. Central Time tomorrow, like I am most Saturdays. Anyways, I do want to let you guys know about something. I did enter a long trade on Bitcoin. It is on the higher time frames. It is based off the 333-minute time frame. I did tell my trading group about this, and most things I tell my trading group I don't tell you guys, but I do want to say something. Watch this. So I did enter long on this. This is my trade. It's not a massive trade, but it's a bigger trade than what I've been doing recently. So this is a swing trade on Bitcoin right now. I entered at the price of $69,926, and I'm in the red right now. Bitcoin size, the position size is just under a tenth of a Bitcoin, so not really for leverage trading. That's not that much, but it's that's still it's $7,000, something like that. My stop loss is 62,300, and I'm going to move my stop loss up based on where this thick yellow line is. That's a 200 smooth moving average. So if it goes to 65,000, I'll move it to 65,000. If we dump right down, then I'll get stopped out or basically lose my entire position. But for right now, I'm thinking this trade is going to take us into new all-time highs. I said beginning of this month, I think Bitcoin's going to hit 70,000 plus this month, and I think that happens, if not more. If we hit an all-time high this month or next month, I think that's really likely, and I am calling for an all-time high. I think it's a 90% chance that we hit an all-time high probably next month, possibly later this month, but definitely next month. You can hold me to that. We'll see if I'm wrong or right. So looking at the 3-day time frame, yes, we're overbought on Bitcoin. That is not good for my scenario, but like the weekly has more room to go. The monthly, I don't care about the monthly in a bull run. The 2-day, but the daily is overbought. That's not a good sign. I still think, though, they make higher lows and we do put in a new high. So the 4-hour time frame, I entered because when I entered the 4-hour time frame, 2 hours ago, it was oversold. Now you're getting a pump, and technically it's a higher high on the 4-hour time frame. Let me get rid of some of this because this is a little bit in the way of what I'm trying to show you guys. Right now, though, the 4-hour time frame is making a higher high. Now, if you can hold the level of $67,600, that's a higher low on Bitcoin. If I go down to the half-hour time frame, that's about to make a higher low. The 15-minute time frame at this point is about to make a short-term falling wedge. The 7-minute is kind of making a falling wedge. So I really do see more upside for Bitcoin here. And I'm just trying to play with the lines a little bit, see what I see in the charts. I mean, if you hold this level here, that's a bull pennant. It looks like you're kind of losing it. So maybe we could draw something a little bit more like this. But either way, I like what I'm seeing on the smaller time frames. And I do think we can get on out of here and make new highs this week or month. So we'll see what happens. That is kind of the bullish short-term scenario for Bitcoin. That I think that takes you pretty close to new highs or the highs for the day. So that's a little bit of a falling wedge. If you can hold this level here at 68,400, this is likely to play to the upside. Maybe by the time you watch this video, it's way under that. So it's probably a high risk setup because I'm basically risking my entire position as of right now. And I should have really entered this position all the way back down here at $62,000 or $61,500, but I didn't. I wish I did. And I'm going to start watching this time frame more and more. But with that being said, guys, that's all I got. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Again, I'll be live tomorrow, 11 p.m. Central Time. It's just what I'm doing, and I do see more upside. The other bullish scenario is if you can hold these levels at 675, there's no resistance until 70,300, and then above that, you're looking at all-time high resistance. Above that, who knows what happens, right? But if I can hold this price, right now my current take profit is the all-time high. If I hold this till then, I make about $500. When my account size is only $600 or $700, that's a doubling up my account. And if it takes a month to play out, I'm okay with that. It's a small account. We'll see what happens. But I found that I make more money trading longer term time frames than I do day trading. Day trading, it just doesn't work for me. Swing trading, I tend to make money doing it. So with that being said, guys, that's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one. That's just what I'm doing, just to let you guys know.